Running a business online can be stressful. Managing servers, keeping your data backed up, securing your sites from malware, and making sure everything runs smoothly. But what if you can get all of that handled automatically with one complete hosting solution? Let me introduce you to InMotion Premier Care, the all-in-one premium support and optimization bundle designed for VPS and dedicated server customers who want enterprise-level reliability without the enterprise-level hassle. So what exactly is Premier Care? It's a complete bundle that brings together several separately priced add-ons into one solution that provides everything businesses need for a production-ready website right out of the box. With Premier Care, you'll get cPanel, industry standard control for easy site management, advanced product support, get help from our top experts for complex issues, Monarx intelligent malware defense, proactive protection that automatically detects and stops threats, backup manager, secure daily backups with up to 500 gigabytes of storage on dedicated servers or 300 gigabytes on VPS, launch assist, white glove onboarding with our solutions team to handle migrations, performance tuning, firewall setup, and more. Premier Care is made for people who want to focus on their business, not fixing server problems. It's ideal for small businesses without an in-house IT team, agencies managing multiple client sites, resellers scaling their infrastructure, developers or IT pros who want to save time on setup and security, and anyone who wants guided setup, 24/7 human support, and proactive protection all in one. Let's be honest, support across the hosting industry is changing. A lot of companies are cutting back, automating responses, or phasing out real human support altogether. With Premier Care, we're doing the opposite. We're doubling down on human expertise. So let's look at one of the biggest benefits included with Premier Care: access to the Advanced Product Support Team, or APS. With APS, you don't just get average tech help, you get access to the most experienced engineers and specialists at InMotion who handle complex server configurations, advanced troubleshooting, and infrastructure scale issues. So with Premier Care, you'll always have access to real people who can help with everything from server optimization to malware mitigation, anytime, day or night. Premier Care takes the guesswork out of running your business online, letting you focus on what really matters: growth, not maintenance. If you're ready to upgrade your hosting experience with true peace of mind, check out the InMotion Premier Care bundle today. Visit inmotionhosting.com/premier-care. InMotion Hosting. Always on, always human.